What's up, guys? Tommy here from Green Rhino. This is a little informative video. I'm probably not going to show any cleaning in this, but who knows? I don't know. Stick to the end, we'll see. But this is about a really super important thing that you need to do in business, in your services. That's going to save you a whole lot of headaches, and you're gonna really save yourself a lot of I don't know, going back and forth with your customers, and in the long run it's gonna pay off. First, before I do tell you exactly what this is, do me a favor, go down there, hit that like for me. Hit the subscribe if you haven't did that yet. Hit the bell too, okay? So every time I upload something, you can see it. This is a channel that shows you the process of carpet cleaning and gives you helpful tips on how to start your carpet cleaning business the right way. What's up, guys? Before the video starts, I want to thank you for subscribing to my channel and liking it. And if you haven't did that yet, go ahead and subscribe. And if you're thinking about getting into the carpet cleaning business, I do offer a step-by-step course down below in the description, as well as the tools I love and use. So now you know. Stay tuned. Anyway, so that point that I'm trying to tell you is, when you create your pricing, stick to your pricing. Okay? Don't negotiate your pricing. You've thought about this over and over again. You created your pricing plan. If you're taking my course, you know what I'm talking about. You created your pricing plan that's going to be more beneficial to you and kind of just set your business up where you want it. And which means less hours, more money. Stick to your pricing plan, because you're going to get on the phone with people, and people are going to tell you things are not as bad as they really are. You may really kind of maybe a little slow or something, or you just want to book this appointment. You may negotiate a little bit on your pricing. For instance, for me, I do hardwood floor cleaning. And the customer had reassured me that she had really nice floors and no buildup, just really easy clean, So I gave her a little discount over the phone for the hardwood floor cleaning. Well, I get there, and it definitely isn't what she was saying. Instead of a one-step process, I was going to have to do a two-step process in order to get it looking really good. And at the price that I quoted for, it just didn't make any sense. We went back and forth over that, and I ended up still doing it for less than I wanted to. Wasted about 45 minutes, about a half hour, and she ended up changing her mind anyway, not wanting to do it. So don't be so hungry for work that you're gonna put yourself in the situation to where you're not meeting your business model. Okay, you're undercutting yourself. It means you're doing working a lot longer for the same amount of money. If they can't afford your services, keep this in mind. You based your pricing on what the going rate is in your area. So if they can't afford your services, then they just need to move on and call somebody else. So for hardwood floor cleaning, I've been trying to pick up a little bit more, because I don't do much of that over here, because there's not really a lot of hardwood floor cleaning. So I consider lowering my prices a little, but no, I'm not going to do that. So that's not the only situation. That's just an example. You're on the phone giving a quote. Don't negotiate your prices. Stick to them. If they don't want to do it, then have a nice day. Thank you. Call me if you need me. Okay? So that's really important, guys. Stick to your prices. Don't negotiate. You created your pricing plan for a reason. People want deals, okay? And you're gonna find out also is the people that want the deals are gonna be the most picky people. So I knew from the get-go when I showed up to this lady's house and we did her carpets and do a little sectional, that she was gonna be super picky just off of that. She's walking through as we're cleaning. I was thinking in the back of my mind that, wow, when we get to this hardwood floor, she's gonna be really. But she came up with some excuse, said that she had a family emergency, this and that. I don't know whether she was just kind of turned off by the pricing or she just didn't like me, I don't know. But she pulled out of it and I was like so happy. So super happy, you know. And as a matter of fact, next time she calls, I'm just gonna be either too booked up and just let her know that I don't think I'm gonna be able to meet her expectations on her floors. So, all right, so that's it for this one. It's been a rough week for me. My truck mount's been giving me trouble for the last 2 weeks. Thank God I have BLM as a backup. And wish me luck, guys. Wish me luck. And get this thing going so I can be back to usual. So I haven't been doing much videos because it's just been a bunch of stress for me lately. The owner operator life, right? All right, we'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to hit that like, okay? If you want to comment down there, you know, go ahead and do that. It helps my videos get pushed out there. So see you in the next one.